Good afternoon, everyone. Today, as part of the ILC family, I'm so happy to announce that we have one of our B1 students giving a wonderful presentation with a great topic for us. Without any further ado, here he is.
Thanks. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Walter Niquinga. I am a student level B1 of ILC Institute. Today, my topic is about spectacled bears. As introduction, spectacled bear is the only species of South America and are the most emblematic mammals of the tropical Andes. The scientific name is Tremarctos ornatus. On this occasion, I am going to talk about the following points: physical description, diet, reproduction, threats to survival, and finally, distribution. Well, physical description. The spectacled bears are robust, with a short and muscular neck, uh, short and strong legs. As with all bears, the spectacled bears walk on the soles of their feet and have longer front than rear legs, making them spectacular climbers. And their fur is black. The spectacled bears typically have distinctive markings that color beige around the eyes, which is the reason for its common name. Diet. The spectacled bears are herbivorous. Their diet includes fruits and plants, for example, bromelias, achupalias, palms, and paramo grapes. Also, also honey and insects, for example, arthropods. And occasionally small rodents and birds. Reproduction. Solitary animals, mature spectacled bears, we can see together only during mating season. Females usually give birth to one or two smalls. The threats or survival. Spectacled bears populations suffer destruction and fragmentation their habitat. Poachers also hunt down their meat and any body parts. Distribution. The spectacled bear is found from Venezuela to northern Argentina, including Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia. In Ecuador, we can find a spectacled bear in the foothills, um, also protect areas, and ecological reserve and national parks. This is my presentation. Thank you for paying attention.
Okay, thank you, Walter, for this wonderful presentation and this interesting information about spectacle bears. Okay, I think it's a cute animal. I'm going to ask you some questions, all right? So the first question would be, if do you think it is possible for people to have spectacle bears as pets at home?
No, I think that the spectacle bear is considered as wild animals. These species show need to live free in the mountains.
Okay, thank you. Um, you mentioned that they are an endangered species. So, what can we do to prevent its extinction?
Uh, for example, don't cut down the forest, and, and we must avoid the advance the agricultural frontier because it destroys their habitats.
Okay. Talking about that, you mentioned also two factors or two main factors that affect their survival, like the advance of agricultural frontiers and hunting by poachers. Which of these two factors do you think is the one that affects the most and why?
Um, I think is the human activities.
Mm-hmm.
For example, agricultural uh, is produce the fragmentation in their habitat. This species is timid, and other also um, poachers.
All right. Thank you. Um, how many babies, how many cubs do they usually have, and how often do they reproduce?
Uh, this species is measured when have for 4 years. Um, it's difficult that reproduce that according the research, the famous usually give birth only one or two smalls.
Okay, thank you very much. You also talked about the places, the countries where we could find them. Can you mention about the population of the spectacle bears here in Ecuador?
Uh, Maki Fukuna, for example,
Mm-hmm.
this is a place in where the peoples we can see these important species. Uh, this place is in Pichincha.
Mm-hmm.
Um, another place, for example, Pimampiro, national park, for example, in we province, the Janganates Park.
All right. Thank you very much, Walter. Wonderful presentation. Great topic. Congratulations.